Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my hometown in Albay. Yeah, I know it. When you think of Albay, you readily think of Mount Mayon, right? And then the picturesque image of the ruins, the Cagsawa ruins. But there's more than just the ruins in Cagsawa. Let's ride the all-terrain vehicles and follow the lava trail! Come on! There are actually several ATV tour companies in the vicinity of the Cagsawa ruins, and their services extend even past sunset. So you could enjoy the beautiful colors of Mayon at sunset while enjoying the ATV ride. Sige, Manijujo! Huwag matakot! Kaya mo yan! You can do it! Come on! Alright! Go! Woo! It was a bit of a challenge, right? Get out! Woo! Wait! Di pa tayo tapos! This is one long lava trail, alright? Come on! Let's go! Habol! Dali! Kaskasero! Habol! Dali! Magkaumagayin tayo dito eh! The ATV tours come in 3 levels of difficulty, and each comes with a different price. Level 1 is the easiest 1-hour ATV ride at 699 pesos. Level 2 is a 2 to 3 hour ride to the helipad, and it costs 1,800 pesos. Level 3 will bring you really close to the boulders of Mayon volcano and is priced at 3,000 pesos. So simply choose the level that best suits your usual adrenaline rush. The important thing is you having fun.
Salamat okay na.
Another bonus are your friendly and ever-reliable Bicolano tour guides who are always ready to take your pictures and videos. Oh! Ano pang hinihintay mo? Larga na!
Is nakabukas na siya?
Hinihintay pa kasi ang picture eh!
Ayun na, Art!
Alright! Let's go! Come to Albay! Enjoy ATV! Enjoy the ruins! And enjoy Mount Mayon! Yell, Japan!